How to create Google Chat account. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Firstly, make sure you have already downloaded Google Chat app in your device. Once you download it, launch it. With that, you will land at this kind of interface. Welcome to the new Google Chat. Google Chat, developed by Google, is a communication platform integrated into the Google Workspace suite, offering a variety of features for real-time collaboration. It facilitates direct messaging between individual or group within organizations, enabling seamless communication. Users can create group chat and dedicated rooms for team discussions and project collaboration. With tight integration with other Google Workspace like Gmail, Google Drive, and Google Calendar, users can easily share files, schedule meetings, and collaborate on documents within the chat interface. Now click on this option of Get Started. With that, you will be able to find all the Gmail accounts that were logged in your device right now. Now you have to use any of the Gmail account to create your Google Chat account. So go ahead and toggle on for this icon. Once you do that, you can click on Done. Click on Get Started. And with that, your Google Chat account will be created. You don't need to fill any details as it will use the information from your Gmail address. So this way you can easily create a Google Chat account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.